Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip files unpacking app for your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, search for an app and just write RAR like that, and select this app, press install. When it's ready, select open, and from here you'll need to grant the files access to the app. You can select any, but if you don't select some of them, the app might not work properly. So I selected all, dismiss, and from here we'll be able to unpack or pack RAR and zip files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.